Next, we take a look at another example. So now we have another question over here. Which variable will we choose? We realize that we want to choose y, right? Okay, because the coefficient of y is the same for both equations. So let's label equation 1 and equation 2 first. Okay. Now we want to decide whether or not we plus or whether we minus. Okay, so you can do a side working. Just write 2 sets of 4y right? So we just follow the sign, negative 4y plus 4y. Okay, we can either choose a plus or we can choose a minus. Okay, so if you press your calculator, negative 4 plus 4, we get 0. Negative 4 minus 4, we get negative 8y. Okay, so the obvious choice will be to use plus. Or another way to remember it is when the signs are different, you choose plus. Okay, so now we will take equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, so 5x plus, okay, this is my choice, 6x from equation 2, okay, equal, okay, it's 0 here, so I don't need to write the 0, equal 18 from equation 1, plus is my choice, 26, okay, from equation 2. So I will have obtained the equation. Next, I will simplify. So 5x plus 6x is 11x. 18 plus 26, you can use your calculator, you get 44. Right? So 11x is 44. X will be 44 divided by 11. We'll get 4. Right? And once we have obtained the value of x, we'll replace this x value either inside equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, let's choose equation 1. It doesn't matter which one we choose, we will still get the same answer. So substitute x equals to 4 into equation 1. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll replace it. So 5 multiplied by 4 minus 4y is equals to 18. Okay, so I'll do a multiplication. 20 minus 4y is equals to 18. Right? Now we need to just consolidate all the y on the left side, consolidate all the numbers on the right side. So negative 4y equals to 18 minus 20. Okay, negative 4y will be equals to negative 2. Y will be equals to negative 2 divided by negative 4. If you press your calculator, you'll get half. Right? And this will be our answer. X equals to 4, y equals to half. Are you clear about this? Earlier on, we have looked at some basic examples of elimination method. Okay, right now we'll be looking at situations where the coefficient for both x and y are not the same. So under such a situation, what should we do? Okay, so if we look at this question now, right, look at the coefficient of x. Are they the same? They are not the same, right? Okay, and look at the coefficient of y. Are they the same as well? They are not the same as well. So we cannot just do an addition and subtraction straight away. Okay, because doing any addition, any forms of addition or any forms of subtraction will not allow us to get 0 for either of the variables. So it will be pointless to just do addition or subtraction straight away. What we need to do now is we need to do some adjustments to the equations such that we get the same coefficient for either x or either y. Right? So let's try to make x the same. Okay, so we'll label equation 1 and equation 2 first. If I want to make x the same, right, what number do we need to have as the coefficient of x? Okay, an easy choice will be to have it as 15x. So what will happen here is I need to change 3x to become 15x. That means to say I need to multiply by 5 here. Okay, but if I multiply by 5 to 3x, I should multiply by 5 to negative 5y as well as 19 as well. Otherwise, I'll be changing the question. Also, if I multiply by 5 here, I should do the same times 5 times 5 times 5 for everything. Okay, so we'll do that now. We'll take equation 1 multiply by 5. I'll end up with 15x minus 25 is equals to 95. Okay, I'll call this equation 3. Right? Now, the next step is to change our equation 2 to have 15x as well. Okay, so I can do this by multiplying equation 2 by 3. So I'll take equation 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so 5x will become 15x. Okay, 2y will become 6y. 11 will become 33. Okay, if I'm clear on this. Now the next step will be to choose plus or minus. Okay, and it's very obvious. I want to remove x now, so it will be minus. Because 15 minus 15 will give us 0. Okay, so I'll take equation 3 minus equation 4. Okay, so this should be a y here, sorry. Okay, so I'll take equation 3 minus equation 4. So we have negative 25y minus 6y will be equals to 95 minus 33. Okay, can we follow this? Okay, so it will be negative 25y, minus is my choice, and minus of 6y is equals to 95 minus 33. Okay, so negative 25 minus 6, I'll get negative 31y. And okay, 95 minus 33, I'll get 62. Okay, so finally I want to find the value of y. So y will be equals to 62 divided by negative 31. We'll get a value of negative 2. Right, are we clear about this? Okay, the last step will be to find the value of x. So as what we have done earlier, okay, we can just use equation 1 or equation 2 to find our answer. Alright, so replace y equals to negative 2 into either one. Let's choose equation 1. Okay, so what will happen now? I'll just replace y with negative 1. So we have 3x okay, minus 5 times negative 2 is equals to 19. Right? So 3x plus 10 is equals to 19. 3x will be equals to 19 minus 10. 3x will be equals to 9. X will be equals to 3. This will be how we do this example. Are you clear about this?